The presentation on our program is titled Emotional Health and Wellbeing. Yeah? That's a presentation by Bosco and myself. Yeah? Principally leading on that. And we're going to summarize it in 2 minutes. We can expand on it later. I've talked about why Birthrite was set up. Yeah? We've gone through what we've gone through since we came to this country, and we know what works and what hasn't worked in our lives. We want to distill that experience, that insight, and share it amongst ourselves, amongst the next generation, so they don't get stopped by the hurdles that stopped us before we walk up. Yeah? Does everyone see what is at the back of my thing? What does it say? Okay, what about here? So underneath. Yeah, underneath Birthrite. Yeah?
They can't say it.
Okay, they cannot see it. But underneath our logo, it says wisdom shared. So the idea is that each and every one of us has a contribution to make. Share the knowledge you have, and together we can build a community. How does that link to emotional health and well-being? Ultimately, what determines what we do is what we think or what we feel. So our feelings and our thoughts contribute to our behavior. Earlier we had the police here, and there were questions as to why does the police do what it does? How can we ensure we're on the right side of the law? It all stems on how we behave. And behavior is influenced by our thoughts. Our thoughts are influenced most often by our feelings. If I feel anxious, I might behave differently. If I'm stressed, I might act differently. Are we together? And so ultimately what matters is what is between our ears. Our brains, yeah? Hello? Talk to me someone. So we say, this is birthright stake on these matters. Whatever it is we do, let's remember that our mental well-being, our emotional well-being is important as our physical well-being. If I'm injured, my son got injured a couple of months ago, he went to the appropriate practitioner. If you've got a physical injury, you go to a GP, you go to a doctor. Please, if you've got issues between what is going on between your ears, seek appropriate help. Okay? And while those papers are being passed around, we think this has been researched and it's been found that when you connect, yeah, meaningful connections with people. Earlier during social media, we talked about good networks. Yeah, connect with each other here, connect with people on and offline, make good friendships, participate in what is going on around you, seek to learn something new, be physically active. Hello, physically active means be here. Essentially, wherever you are, be there. Let's repeat that before I close what I'm sharing with you. And this is the most important message I want you to take home. Wherever you are, be there. And repeat for me one time. Wherever you are, be there. Yeah? If you're going to remember anything today, remember only that. Wherever you are, be there. If you are at university, be at university. Don't be at university and in McDonald's at the same time. If you are at McDonald's, be there. Enjoy your burger. Don't be at McDonald's when your mind is wandering all over the place. Yeah? If you are at home, be at home. If you set out to go to work, go to work. And when you get there, be there. Let's not be a wandering mind. And that will contribute to good quality of life because our emotional well-being and our physical well-being will be in sync. And when we're talking about well-being, we're not talking about going to the gym all the time. Yeah? We're talking about self-care. As in, this is the only body I've got, and I'm going to live in this body for the next 60, 70 or so years. So I better take good care of it. So self-care. Go to bed when it's sleeping time. Rest, relax, think properly, eat well, go easy on caffeine and these other fizzy drinks of ours. Essentially, it is your life, and you've got a say on how your story ends. You're not going to blame it on the environment, you're not going to blame it on the police, you're not going to blame it on your mother who was always at work, or your dad who was always at work. You've got a say in how your life ends. Thank you for listening. So if you've got issues, there's this card. Yeah, these are places you can visit for further professional support. Yeah? Any questions before I hand over to Abel? Any questions, issues? Okay, round of applause if you must for both from my side.
Oh, thank you, Geoffrey. Yes. So Geoffrey has checked off pretty much one of the two big activities that we are meant to have here. Wherever you are,
Be there.
I've forgotten that already. Wherever you are,
Be there.
So we're going to turn to the fire. So we'll be in the fire this time. You will go look for any size piece of firewood. It could be as small as a stick of this size, a twig, but nothing bigger than the size of my arm. Okay? Nothing bigger than the size of my arm. That's what you need to bring back. And it has to be dry, of course, because we need to burn it right here. We're going to spend no less than 10 minutes to do that, because we need to quickly set the fire. And on the back of that, we have a few other activities that will be taking place here. So as we set the fire, there will be a chat that will go on in the background where we'll all be involved. So setting the fire is just one of the several activities. But as part of that, we have two other activities that will all be combined while you're back here. Questions on where to find the firewood?
About how far out are we allowed to go?
Good point. We don't want you to be going all the way to the zip line, right? So if you do 10 minutes and you haven't found anything, or the most you found is this size, bring whatever you have. How do we start a fire? For those of you who have done a bit of scouting, yeah. You can rub the two sticks together. That's a lot of work. Yeah? We climb up here and bring a branch down. If you found one. Yes? A match stick. Yes, we could do that. Make it a lot easier on ourselves other than rubbing two pieces of wood together. You can use a matchstick, yes. No, you have an injury, so you'll be excused for this one, okay? So we have a matchstick, we'll use a matchstick and a few lighters, but we need to put those underneath the small sticks that we'll have gathered, and on top of that we'll put a bigger stick, so to speak, okay? All right, so let us set out. If you age between 6 and 23, take the path down here and find as many as you can find, but know that you can only do this within 10 minutes, okay?
There's no down here. There's 200 on I have two wonderful young people here. A lady here who's going to help us set the fire. We need one gentleman to assist the lady set the fire. There's one here. I think he's going to be willing. Yes? We will do two. You want to help? Him, come down. Come down. You all have to figure it out.
Come out with a smile.
Yes.
Come down with a smile. Fast.
One of the answers we had earlier when I asked how do we get the fire going, I think you said you can use a matchstick, didn't you? So we have set up this nice heap here. What do you observe about the heap? What do we have in there? Wood. What type of wood? Describe the size. We have a bit of big and small. If you notice, we have more smaller ones at the very bottom. You know why? Because they catch fire quickly and easily, isn't it? What else do you see down there that can help us catch the fire easily and quickly? Boxes, yes. Paper, yes. And when you go to your stores, you'll find things like this as well that you can use to help you speed up the whole process of catching the fire, right? So we can use a small stick, we can use paper, we can buy these from the stores, and whatever else is there. So now we're going to try using the matchsticks, but we need to do this in a safe manner. That's very important, right? And we're going to hand the keys to you all three to show us how it's done. Have you done this before? You know how to light a match? Okay, you're gonna show us now. And we're gonna try and light the pieces of paper. That's what we're gonna light, and hopefully from there the fire will spread to the smaller sticks and gradually to the bigger sticks, right? But you need to kneel a little bit because we want to go for the little pieces of paper down there. Spread it around to the other pieces of paper. I want you to spread it around a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. That's good.
Should I do another one?
Yes, I want you to do it all around. So I want you to do it all around, or somebody else can do it this time. Yeah. You wanna try? Yeah? You wanna lit? I want you to try and lit it this side. You need to get close. Get close. I want you to try and lit it that side. No? You need it lit. Yeah? Use another one. Get another one. Let's try and get another one. On the corner. You want to do it on the corner. Okay? Okay, come this side. Come this side. Come twice more on here. That's good. I want you to try here. Get closer, get closer. That one there. That's it. I think we have it going now, okay? So now what happens next is we need to maintain that fire, okay? But we need to control the amount of fire that's coming off these by regulating the sizes and the amount of wood that goes in, okay? Yeah. I don't think we want it any higher than that, do we? So we can then moderate how much fire or how much to that right where you are. You can stand away from that. We'll take that on the other side. Let's put it on the other side.
On the count of 3, yeah? Happy?
Unacceptable.